What if I told you that just $100 could be the start of your journey to financial freedom? Sounds impossible, right? But the truth is, it's not only possible, it's smart. And the best part? You don't need a Wall Street salary, fancy degrees, or insider connections to get started. Before you scroll away thinking $100 isn't enough, let me ask you this. How much money do you spend on coffee, subscriptions, or snacks in a month? Chances are more than $100. Now imagine if that same $100 actually started making money for you instead of disappearing into thin air. We're about to break down, step by step, how you can turn that $100 into a powerful investing habit. And by the end of this video, you might just feel a little nervous that your money isn't working hard enough yet. So, how do you actually turn $100 into your first investment? Let's dive in. Step 1. Build a mini emergency fund. Before investing, you need a safety net. Think of it as a financial seatbelt. Even with $100, start small. Keep $50 to $100 aside as a mini emergency fund. Why? Because life loves surprises, like your car breaking down or your phone dying right after the new iPhone drops. This is your first lesson in investing mindset. Protect what you have before trying to make it grow. Once your mini cushion is set, your money is ready to work for you without risking total chaos. Now that your foundation is set, it's time to move to the fun part. Actually investing. Step 2. Choose the right platform. Next, pick where to invest. Apps like Robinhood, Webull, M1 Finance, or Acorns allow you to start with just $1. No kidding. That $100 can go straight into the stock market, ETFs, or fractional shares. Fractional shares are a game changer. You don't need $4,000 to buy one Amazon share. You can own a slice of it for just a few bucks. And owning a slice of Amazon feels pretty cool, doesn't it? Like financial pizza, but less messy. The key here is simplicity. Pick a platform with low fees, easy navigation, and educational tools. Your $100 deserves a smart home, not a haunted house of hidden fees. With the right platform in place, it's time to decide where that $100 should actually go. Step 3. Start with ETFs or index funds. For beginners, ETFs or index funds are the safest bets. Think of them as baskets of stocks that automatically diversify your money. You don't have to stress over which individual stock is going to soar or crash. Imagine buying a tiny slice of every major company in America instead of putting all your $100 on one unknown startup. Less risk, more stability, and it still has the potential to grow significantly over time. Oh, and the best part? With just $100, you can start your journey into owning a piece of the stock market. But here's where most beginners trip up, trying to time the market or chase hype. Step 4. Set up automatic contributions. Here's the secret sauce. Consistency. Invest $20 to $50 every week automatically. It doesn't matter if the market dips or spikes. Your money keeps moving. This is called dollar cost averaging, and it's your ticket to growing wealth steadily without losing sleep over market swings. Imagine telling your future self, "Hey, I set up my account to invest automatically, so don't worry about me." That's basically outsourcing your future millionaire self's stress. Genius, right? Now, here's the twist. The real magic doesn't happen just from these steps. It happens in a way most people completely underestimate. Step 5. Harness the power of compounding. This is where your $100 starts looking like $1,000 or more over time. Compounding is when your money earns money, and then that money earns money too. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but eventually it becomes unstoppable. The scary part? Most people never start, thinking $100 is too little. That hesitation costs them decades of potential growth. Don't be that person. And if you want to see exactly how compounding can turn your first $100 into a life-changing amount, I've made a full video breaking it down step by step. So there you have it. How to start investing with just $100. Protect your money, choose the right platform, diversify with ETFs, stay consistent, and let compounding do its magic. That tiny $100 could be the spark that ignites your journey to financial freedom. If you want to see the exact numbers and how compounding works over years, check out my next video on the power of compounding. Click here on the end screen and let your money start working for you today. Don't wait another second.